Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 16 of chapter 3, playing with numbers. This is the last part of the chapter 3. I have done up to question number 3 of exercise 3.8 in my last class. Let us begin with question number 4. The product of two numbers is 864. If their LCM is 72, what is their HCF? The solution will go like this. Let the numbers be A and B. We know from the properties of HCF and LCM that if the numbers are A and B, A into B is equal to HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B. Given that the product of the numbers, that is A into B, is 864. LCM is 72. Therefore, putting the values in the respective places, we get 864 equal to 72 into HCF. Therefore, HCF will be equal to A into B divided by LCM, that is 864 divided by 72. Now we have to divide 864 by 72. If we divide 864 by 72, we get quotient as 12, and 12 is the HCF of the two numbers A and B. Homework, question number 5 you have to do. It is same as question number 4. You try to do this. Now let us check with question number 6. Can two numbers have 14 as their HCF and 276 as their LCM? Give reasons. From the properties of HCF and LCM, we know that the HCF of two numbers is a factor of LCM. So we have to check if HCF 14 is a factor of LCM 276 or not. For that, we have to divide LCM by the HCF. Given that LCM equal to 276, HCF is 14. So if 276 is exactly divisible by 14, that is there is no remainder, then we can say that two numbers can have 14 as their HCF and 276 as their LCM. 276 by 14 is equal to 19 as quotient and 10 as remainder. So it is not exactly divisible. Therefore, 14 cannot be HCF of two numbers whose LCM is 276. Question number 7. The HCF of two numbers is 145 and their LCM is 2176. If one number is 435, find the other number. The solution for this, let the two numbers be A and B. One number is given as 435. Let A be 435. HCF is 145 and LCM is 2175. Now we have to find B, the other number. We have to find its value. We know that from the property of HCF and LCM, A into B, the product of the two numbers, is equal to HCF into LCM of the two numbers. Here A we have written 435. In place of A we write 435. B we don't know, we have to find it. HCF is 145 and LCM is 2175. Now you have to multiply 2175 by 145. I get 315375. I have done some rough work in the right side of the page. You also have to do the rough work. Therefore, 435 into B is equal to 315375. Therefore, B is equal to 315375 divided by 435. Now, if we divide 315375 by 435, the quotient we get 725. Therefore, B is equal to 725. The other number is 25. Question number 9. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is 4875. If one number is 75, find the other number. We know that LCM of two co-prime number is the product of the given numbers from property of LCM. If the two numbers are co-prime, then their LCM is the product of the numbers. So if we assume the co-prime numbers as A and B, A into B is equal to LCM. Let us assume that A is equal to 75. We have to find B now. So B is equal to LCM divided by A. So 4875 divided by 75. If we divide 4875 by 75, we get 65 as quotient. Therefore, the other number is 65. That is, B is equal to 65. Now, homework you have to do from exercise 3.8, question number 5, question number 8 and question number 10. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead. In your next class, there will be a class test on HCF, LCM and properties of HCF and LCM.